Welcome to HSS Security Solutions, serving Gallatin, Tennessee and the surrounding area. For more than 25 years, our licensed team has designed, installed, and monitored fire alarm systems that meet strict safety codes and provide reliable protection for both commercial and residential properties. We handle every step of the process: fire alarm design, stamped prints, permitting, professional installation, and final certification with the authority having jurisdiction. Our systems are built to code, built to last, and backed by 24/7 alarm monitoring. From schools, healthcare facilities, and government buildings to offices, retail, and homes, HSS Security Solutions delivers fire alarm systems that protect people, property, and assets. If you're in Gallatin or anywhere in Sumner County, call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-444-1400 or visit security.net. HSS Security Solutions, trusted since 1997 for professional fire alarm systems in Middle Tennessee.